The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi Uwei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sau pun rewlak. Just wow.
Haka sisdang jong ka dorbar senrai jong ka yeng dorbar tha wan ka jala ka bade ka government business day haka apsau tadik nai la raja pun riau ka mat halo ka huriu ra nong ba Shillong ka dei ka jing kan penkut ka ta tang mar yakut ka jing sngap jar kum ka jing snolem ya ki nong mi khmat sa ki yeng dorbar tha wan ki bal khlan mar yakut ka obuchiri reference u nong ilam kalyang persha u Dr. Mukul sangma haka por ba ulam phang ka yeng dorbar tha wan u Thomas sangma udang phai show mitirang ba ulayeng man pensngau da point of order kum ka jingdon kam ya ka Sorkar jala ba kanwan ra ya ka jingpentep ha ka yeng dorbar ha ka bai day bat ka jingmi ka huri hura ka balaja ka khandai tarik August arajar apun riau bat ka balakta ya ka songsuk songsangan bat ru bandon ki ba Pynthut ki kali kitmar badon kam kum ka kali kit umpniang bat ki wei ki mar hnre hapreng ka jingkran jong Dr. Mukul u mentirang ba ka jalau konrad ke sangma ula yeng ban pensngo ba ka don ka statement ka ba udang mut banwan ra ban pentep ha ka yeng dorbar ya ka ka Sorkar kala dep ban siam mik sinjam ha ba pensngo ha ka yeng dorbar na ka liang mentirang ba ula pentep ba ka Sorkar kala dep ban thau ka SIT bat ya ka bala khli do IG law and order bat ru balakem yo Uwei badun kti bat kani ka jingja na lord ki jing pensngo ba ka Sorkar ka ai ki jing kular banwan ra ka jing songsok bat ru ban nom song klikti ban pensitom ki brio ki bathu ban pen krumar shnong.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to raise a point of order under Rule 300 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. And I would like to draw the attention of the House pertaining to Rule 55 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. And I would like to read the rule. Rule 55 of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. A statement may be made by a member on a matter of public importance with the consent of the Speaker, but no question shall be asked at the time the statement is made. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is the first time I find that the government has not come up with the necessary statement to share the information which is crucial for this August House at this juncture, particularly pertaining to the incident that has preceded this day. We all are witness to this, and a very unprecedented situation as a culmination of the incident on the 19th instant in Shillong, that the people of the state was
Speaker,
held
sir,
to ransom.
You were not allowed to move forward. The next item was the statement I was going to make.
Is this coming?
Yeah, that's exactly.
Okay, then
that's why I
it
intervened.
is befitting, because how the state was held to ransom by the non-government actors and how essential services to the state has been disrupted. I think it is a very serious issue. We would like to know from the government as to what actions have been taken and how these type of situation can be prevented in future, and how this type of non-government actors can be put to task as per the law, that the state is not held to ransom at any point of time.
I have already received notice that the Honorable Chief Minister, the Leader of the House, wants to give a suo motu statement under the Rule 50 right after the obituary references. So, the Chief Minister to make a suo motu statement under Rule 55, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, on the 19th of August 2026, a black flag bike rally by the KSU was undertaken. On approval of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, with an undertaking from the KSU that the bike rally would be peaceful. However, during the rally, some miscreants indulged in violent acts, including pelting stones at 31 vehicles and attacking innocent bystanders, which included 8 vehicles from Assam with Assam registration. 18 people were injured and all were taken for medical attention to Shillong Civil Hospital. On the same night, the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the KSU were arrested under various sections of the BNSS, and the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act was invoked. 15 FIRs have been filed so far in connection with the incident on 19th of August 2026. 5 masked persons have so far been identified as being involved in the incident of 19th August 2026, particularly in the attacks on Assam registered vehicles. One of them has been already arrested. The government of Meghalaya has constituted a special investigation team to identify and investigate all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for attacks on Assam registered vehicles, and to ensure their prosecution in accordance with law. The SIT is headed by the IG Law and Order. Further, to ensure normalcy between Assam and Meghalaya, a joint meeting was held on the 22nd of August 2026 between the two delegations headed by Deputy CM Meghalaya and Senior Cabinet Minister from Assam, Shri Atul Boraji, and Deputy CM, Shri Snobalang Dharji, which was attended by the respective Chief Secretaries and senior officials. Based on the meeting, the road blockade at Jorabat by the Assam associations was called off, leading to resumption of normalcy in the movement of essential commodities across the state. A dedicated hotline between Assam and Meghalaya has been established. Permanent district-level joint committees will be constituted, comprising the Deputy Commissioner Nongpo and the Deputy Commissioner Kamrup Metropolitan, along with police officers of the corresponding level from both districts, to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. A joint committee comprising the Commissioner, Secretary-level transport authorities of both states, along with representatives of the Tourist Vehicle Association, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya. Further, yesterday, a meeting was chaired by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport with the Meghalaya Association, in which the associations agreed to withdraw the agitation, which resulted in normalcy in the movement of vehicles. And the next meeting, along with the association, will take place sometime in the second week of September to further discuss other matters. Sir, also on this front, I would like to assure the members of this august House as well as the citizens of our state, that the unfortunate incident that took place is something that the government has taken strong note of. We have been swift in the actions that have been taken by us, and we want to ensure and assure the House and the citizens of our state that the government will take all steps and leave no stone unturned to ensure that the miscreants who were involved and indulged in the violent activities will be brought to justice.
Hamar bakut ke jingkran umitirang ba unong ilam kaliang persya ulai yang biang pat bandawa na ke Sorkar ban Ujor FIR ya gitu ki bakang ki kali kitmar badon kam khnang ba kini ki riusim kabu kimnut ban super ngambek ban khanglenti haman la badon kanu ke jiki bat kumcu ya gitu ki bapinbut nam ya kecela.
Speaker sir, Mr. Speaker sir, though the rule doesn't allow any questions to be raised, but I would like to just submit before the August House for the benefit of this August House and also for the government to take cognizance of certain concern which is not covered under this statement under Rule 55 is that while whatever measures have already been taken by the government is appreciated, but it is a fact that nobody has right to hold the state to ransom, disrupting the essential services, whether any FIR has been lodged against those non-government actors. These are required. Otherwise, it has become a precedent, it will become a precedent, and it is going to be repeated. I am aware of this because we have to have the power of anticipation. And naming and shaming the state, the whole freelancers, these are something which is dangerous in this era, when we are in the era of social media. Therefore, I think, may I request through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, this may be taken cognizance of, and I demand that FIR should be lodged against those non-government actors who have held the state of the people of the state to ransom, particularly disrupting essential services. Otherwise, it will be a precedent, and we will see this tamasa again and again, there will be repetition.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya